There's a great painting that just started dancing.
It's been over 40 years since Mary Flynn dropped LSD while in college.
So when I saw a news article on TV that they were doing this, I thought, oh, LSD would be fun to do again.
But this time, it was for more than just the trip.
Ever since I was a kid, worrying and fretting and not being able to fall asleep.
Flynn has suffered from generalized anxiety for many years.
It was just kind of a sense of foreboding, a sense of a monkey always on my back.
She thinks always needing to keep her hands busy may have been part of her anxiety. Flynn took part in a trial at the Cleveland Clinic that used LSD to treat generalized anxiety disorder.
We excluded patients with bipolar disorder, psychotic disorders, because psychedelics can exacerbate those conditions.
Dr. Brian Barnett is a psychiatrist at the Cleveland Clinic.
Psychedelics have been explored quite a bit for mood disorders, but there have been relatively few studies of psychedelics looking at anxiety disorders.
He says anxiety can cause debilitating problems for many patients.
They often worry about multiple things, and they have trouble controlling the worry, so they just can't stop it. It increases the risk of suicide, and it impairs the functioning of a lot of people, so it's a big problem in our society.
Although Flynn won't officially know what she was given until after the study is published, she's pretty sure she didn't receive a placebo.
20 minutes in, started feeling good, feeling a nice sensation.
Patients are only given one dose.
Psychedelics essentially improve neuroplasticity to the point where it's almost like your brain is when you're a child, and it's very easy to learn things. Patients can change their views on things.
Flynn said the experience was euphoric, but it also felt safe. She was supervised by doctors for 12 hours the day of her dosage. She's been able to stay off medication she was using for her anxiety.
I don't have to go to the store and have drugs on hand or think to take those, and instead it's vitamins and supplements. And it's all been pretty wonderful and life-changing.
She joined the trial for more than just the experience.
I hope that medicine moves forward using these drugs that have been vilified since the 60s.
As for the music she chose to listen to that day?
3 Pink Floyd albums back to back, and then a Dire Straits album, some of my favorites.
Kimberly Perez.
Keep my greens together.
Spectrum News.
Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. For more stories in your communities, click the subscribe button right here. You can also download our app or watch us on TV for the latest information, balanced coverage, weather updates every 10 minutes, and more. We'll see you then.